This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We are setting up for another overnight storm threat, this time with wind, hail, and a brief tornado all possible across West Michigan. The timing for this looks to be roughly 8 p.m. to 3 a.m. So the next several hours are going to be dry, very warm, and very breezy, but you can use this time to make sure you have places to go in the event that a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning is issued. Heavy rain and flooding, that's also going to be a big issue for us, and high river levels will once again be happening across a lot of area rivers, and a flood watch is now been extended through all of West Michigan through Friday to account for all of that heavy rain. You can see that here. Everybody in green could have 2 to 4 inches of rain. River flooding is likely, but some urban and street flooding also will be possible in areas that get training thunderstorms, and that does look to be something that is going to happen as well. Right now across Grand Rapids, we have a lot of blue sky and just a few clouds. You can see strong shadows and temperatures that are now in the upper 70s for many of us. This is about the same as yesterday, and the warmer these temperatures are, the more energy there is in the atmosphere, the more sunshine there is, the more energy there is in the atmosphere. So we have those two things, and that's leading to all of the energy that storms can use later on this evening. That's why West Michigan is in a enhanced risk, that level 3 out of 5 orange for all severe weather threats tonight. And right now it's very quiet. Looking back to the west, once again, Wisconsin and northern Illinois starting to get the tornado watches popping up there. The storms will start in those areas and move across into West Michigan through the next several hours. Most models show between 8 and 10 p.m. storm initiation. This model is a little later. I think it could be a bit earlier, but we're looking at these individual thunderstorms, and these are the ones that could have the capability of very large hail that could be golf ball size, in addition to gusty winds, but also some tornadoes as well. When these storms are able to form in their own environment and they're not competing with any other storms, those are usually the ones that have a better chance to rotate. Getting towards around midnight, it looks like we're going to have a gusty line of storms pushing through, and possibly some of these individual thunderstorms as well. So all severe weather hazards do continue overnight, with the worst of the storms moving out of West Michigan by 2 or 3 a.m. With this being an overnight severe weather threat as well, it's important to make sure you have multiple ways to get warnings and ways to get woken up just in case one is issued. So before you go to bed, make sure all of that is set. Going into the 3, 4, 5 a.m. time frame, a few more storms may be pushing in around the 94 corridor, and heavy rain with non-severe thunderstorms into the mid-morning will also likely still be going on. So multiple hazards. We're also looking at some seriously heavy rain leading to those flooding concerns as well. So for our early morning commute tomorrow, storms will still be ongoing. We'll have scattered thunderstorms in the daytime as well, with additional severe thunderstorms possible tomorrow too. This is the week that just keeps going with severe weather potential, although tomorrow's only a level 1 marginal, but we also have another severe weather outlook already issued for Saturday.